Hey guys, my name's Kaylin. Welcome back to my channel. It's finally spring and today we are doing some spring porch decor to celebrate. And this video is part of the spring DIY and decor challenge being hosted by the DIY Mommy. I'm so happy to be doing another one of these challenges. They're so much fun. Everyone comes up with so many cute ideas. I will have a link in the description below as well as at the end of the video to the challenge playlist so you can go check it out, see what everyone else came up with. If you're new here, welcome to Crafty Treat Adventures. I do cake videos, craft videos, just love doing creative stuff and would love to have you as part of my adventure here. So let's go ahead and get started. First up, I just have a piece of fence here that a windstorm several weeks ago was generous enough to go ahead and knock down in my backyard. So I just had to cut it up. And then to decorate it, I had these wooden flower cutouts forever. My mom gave them to me literally probably a year ago at this point, and I thought they'd be really cute on the fence, so I just grabbed it and put 2 layers of yellow paint around the base of it. Went in with some dark brown paint for the center of the flower and took a smaller brush once I was done with the base here to go in around the edge to do the detail. Next up, to do the welcome and spring portions of the fence. This actually came out of packaging for I think some furniture that I ordered at one point. It's just really thin wood and I decided it would be perfect to put on these. So I grabbed some dark walnut stain and stained both of these pieces. The big one is 11 inches wide and 4.5 inches high, and the top one is 3 inches high and 11 inches wide as well. Once those were drying, I went back in now that the flower was dry and stained it as well, so just worked around working the stain into it to just kind of give it more of a rustic feel. And then I moved on to stenciling, so these are just the welcome spring stencils that I had here. I just went in with a small one for the welcome and took some white paint and just stenciled it on. And then moving on, just did the same thing with the spring stencil, put it on the larger board and went in with white paint to stencil it as well. So those are our 2 smaller pieces for the wording, and then now we can just assemble. So I just took my flower, put it in the center. We put 3 screws in the back, 1 in each post to secure it. And then went in for the welcome and the spring, placed it on there, made sure it was where I wanted it, and then went in with some strong glue on the back and put those into place. once all that dries, that's it, you're done. I wanted to keep this very simple, straightforward, to the point, and use up some stuff that I had around here. So I know if you craft, you just accumulate stuff that you're like, oh, I can use this for something at some point, and it usually takes forever to get around to doing it. So I'm trying to use up some of the stuff I have now, and it's best because it's free. So I made another one with a white flower with the yellow center. I think I like that one best. So leave me a comment down below, let me know which one is your favorite. Thank you again to DIY Mommy for hosting this challenge. Be sure to check out the link in the description below, or the one here right at the end of my video on the top right, to check out the playlist, see what everyone else came up with. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next adventure.